Hey guys, we are weekend vlogging again. Today is the 12th, it's Saturday, and it's my birthday weekend, and we are gonna camp out today. We're just gonna be camping in the backyard, but I figured I'd take you guys along with us this whole weekend. My birthday is Monday, the 14th, so I'm pretty much gonna vlog up until my birthday. So yeah, I'll just take you guys along with me. Oh, you see my shadow. Dun, dun, dun. I'm so excited.
Not that. Oh, come grab that corner.
Oh yeah.
We'll rotate her down.
So big. Yay! I can't wait. We have to get marshmallows, caramel marshmallows, and have a fire. Yay! Backyard camping. We're almost technically in the woods. Yeah. We're technically in the woods.
We are in the woods.
But I guess you could call this glamping because we totally have like a little plug-in situation right here. So we may or may not watch some Netflix in the tent. We shall see. It's like, what, like 70, 75 degrees? And it's like steady wind all day. It's awesome. These are all the goodies. Yum. I can't wait. Now we just have to go find a lot more blankets and pillows. Fill this guy up.
You can. As long as it's outside and you can't hear any cars and you hear frogs and crickets and campfire crackling, you're good to go. And you hear that? It's like,
Yeah.
it's a forage.
That sounds so cool.
It's super neat. And the wind getting it a little bit is really making it.
Okay, we have to find some good sticks to hold some marshmallows and make some s'mores before it gets too dark. So we can still get it on camera. I wanted to show you guys the setup First of all, we have this amazing light that Derek has rigged up. What do you call this light?
Pendulum?
Pendulum? Well, you can't really tell, but anyway. We have our full technology station over here in the corner. Netflix on the laptop, cell phone charger, the necessities. Let's see, bags in this corner, blankets, our little spread with all of our pillows, and snacks, more lights, tripod, etc. It's pretty freaking sweet. Yay! What are we doing?
I'm not really sure. We just stopped here on the porch.
You're not a good commentator.
Oh, we're standing on the porch in the sunlight.
So anyway, we had to clean up a little bit, and we're gonna do a little outfit of the day before we go take some maternity shots of you.
Yep.
Here, let's see your outfit.
This is my maternity outfit. It hides my pregnancy really well.
We're gonna go take shots of his sister. You're fabulous at this. Show me half of it on first. I just pick up the lock good enough. I don't know what to do.
You roll it out. Look, like how we're gonna take it. Look.
Yeah, that's
Take
freaking
it in
bad.
first.
It looks awesome. That's about an inch thick. I don't think it'll spill over the sides too much.
Mm-mm.
Yay! I'm excited. And then we have, what is this? Vanilla icing?
Buttercream or something.
Yeah, and it's got all the different like size tops.
All the cool little
Yay.
square fingers.
I can't wait to decorate it. Okay,
How much?
chef.
Oh my
Put her
gosh.
in. It looks crazy.
It's probably like 20 inches in diameter.
Yeah, we have to measure this thing. It is huge. It did try to come off. I knew it would a little bit. I don't see how they cook
It's
them
been
where
down
they
here.
stay like thick. Yeah. My hand for comparison, but my hand's already huge, so it doesn't really show very much.
We had a little backfire incident there.
Okay, my tea totally exploded. Wait, it's not even supposed to be tea. My D exploded, and it scared me, and now it threw me off, and now I made it a T when it's supposed to be a D.
Matter dyslexic.
Oh my god. Look, we're just gonna clean this up really quick.
Look at that. That's a backfire.
It scared me so bad.
What's now? Now you need to check it out or something.
This is hard. I could not be a baker.
Okay, okay.
Like, you have to put all your might into this. It's gonna attempt to do some nail polish bottles. Nice. That's awesome. A little OPI action. A little fingernail action. Cool. You did a good job.
And spooky lettuce.
It does look a little spooky. Yay! We put some vanilla ice cream between two of these. Oh my gosh. It's so good. So it's finally my birthday. We were going to get some Mexican food at one of our favorite restaurants we haven't been to in forever, and then we're gonna go run some errands. So we'll just take you guys along with us. Oh, yours looks so good.
I was gonna say it's your birthday. We're just gonna say this is like yours.
We could totally share. Slip me a few shrimp. Yum. Quesadilla and fajitas.
This is how we poblita.
We get our what?
Our vajadas. My favorite Mexican dish is the vajada.
Yum.
Magic.
Looks so good.
It is.
Mine looks like very, very strange on camera.
She's a very monochromatic person.
It's so good though. Oh my gosh. I'm so full.
Saute my onions.
Massacred.
I never want to see it. Way over here.
Love, give it like gold. And then they wanna get in my glow. I got better, even on the fire, cool.
Man, trying to make it in North Carolina. If you're looking for her, you can find her. I'm looking for a man,
So I don't think I ever showed you guys my birthday nails. I just went with like a little bit of a, I don't know, like a really dark navy blue. There we go. I just did like gold glitter on the accent nail and then did some gold glitter kind of fading down the nails. It's kind of simple, but I just did them in a hurry just so I'll have some different birthday nails. Hey guys, I am on my way from picking up some pizza right now, and I am about to just sit in for the rest of the night, eat some pizza, watch some Netflix. So thank you guys so much for watching this weekend vlog. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.